Today marks a day of sacred bonds, a day to honor the sibling bond that strengthens us in times of both peace and struggle.
Adi, no matter where life takes us, I know you'll always have my back.
And I yours, Aditi. Through every storm, we're in this together.
On this day, sisters offer their love and protection, and brothers vow to stand by them through every danger. Strength lies in our bonds.
Together we're unbeatable. The trust and support we have is our biggest strength.
Today we fight not just for ourselves, but for the ones we cherish and protect. Unity is power, bound by love and loyalty.
Aditi, stay close. We've got this.
Right beside you, Adi. Let's show them what we're made of.
As long as they stand together, no force can tear them apart. This is the spirit of Bhai Dooj, standing side by side, no matter what. Together, we rise above all challenges.
No matter where we are or what we face, I know you'll always be there.
Always, Aditi, that's a promise.
Some bonds are unbreakable, today, tomorrow, and forever. A promise of protection, a bond of love. Join us next time, as this bond continues to guide and strengthen our heroes in their journey ahead. For in the bond of siblings lies the strength of a lifetime. Happy Bhai Dooj to all who stand by each other through light and darkness.